Artificial intelligence is transforming the world, but how do we ensure AI systems are safe, reliable, and trustworthy? Enter ISO IEC 42007, the groundbreaking international standard that's setting the framework for AI system certification. In this Consumer Times episode, we break down everything you need to know about this crucial standard. Whether you are a business owner implementing AI, a consumer using AI products, or simply curious about AI regulation, this video will help you understand the framework that's shaping the future of responsible AI. Hello and welcome back to Consumer Times. I'm Dr. Arun Kumar, and today we are diving into a topic that's absolutely critical for the future of artificial intelligence, ISO IEC 42007. Now, I know what you're thinking, another technical standard? Why should I care? Well, stick with me, because this standard is going to shape how AI systems are certified, trusted, and deployed across the world. Whether you are using AI in your business or simply as a consumer, this affects you. Before we jump into ISO IEC 42007 specifically, let's set the stage. We're living in an era where artificial intelligence is everywhere, from the smartphone in your pocket to the medical devices saving lives, from the cars driving themselves to the chatbots answering customer service queries. But here's the challenge. How do we know these AI systems are safe, reliable, ethical, and trustworthy? That's where the ISO IEC 42000 series comes in. This is a comprehensive family of international standards specifically designed for artificial intelligence. Think of it as a rulebook for responsible AI. The series includes several key standards: ISO IEC 42001 for AI management systems, ISO IEC 42005 for AI impact assessments, and ISO IEC 42006 for certification body requirements. Each standard plays a unique role in creating a complete ecosystem of AI governance. Now, let's talk about today's star, ISO IEC 42007. This standard provides a high-level framework and guidance for developing and operating conformity assessment schemes, including certification schemes, for artificial intelligence systems. In simpler terms, it's the blueprint for how we should evaluate, test, and certify AI systems to ensure they meet certain standards. Think of it this way: when you buy a new electrical appliance, you expect to see safety certifications, right? Those certifications exist because there are established schemes for testing and verifying that the product is safe. ISO IEC 42007 is creating that same framework for AI systems. It's answering the question: how do we systematically assess whether an AI system is doing what it should be doing, safely and responsibly? Currently, ISO IEC 42007 is in the working draft stage, having been approved as a new project in November 2024. It's being developed jointly by ISO IEC JTC1 Subcommittee 42 on Artificial Intelligence and the Committee on Conformity Assessment. Here's where things get really interesting. Traditional conformity assessment processes were designed for tangible products, things you can touch, measure, and test in straightforward ways. But AI systems are fundamentally different. They're not static objects. They learn, they adapt, they change over time. An AI system today might behave differently tomorrow after processing new data. The challenges in AI conformity assessment include defining what exactly constitutes an AI system, dealing with regulatory fragmentation across different regions, developing testing methodologies for non-static systems, and ensuring post-market monitoring. These are complex issues that require a completely new approach to certification. Moreover, regulators worldwide are increasingly treating digital services like traditional tangible products, inserting conformity assessment requirements into regulations. The European Union's AI Act is a perfect example of this trend. Without proper frameworks like ISO, IEC 42007, we risk creating certification requirements that don't actually work for AI systems. ISO, IEC 42007 is essentially the AI system version of ISO, IEC 17067, which is the standard for product certification schemes. It provides guidance to scheme designers and owners on the unique considerations they need to keep in mind when creating certification programs specifically for AI systems. The standard helps answer critical questions. What aspects of an AI system should be assessed? When should assessments happen? During development, before deployment, or continuously after deployment? Who should conduct these assessments? What qualifications do they need? How do we document the results? How do we handle AI systems that change over time? This is particularly important because AI systems have unique characteristics. They involve complex data dependencies, they may exhibit emergent behaviors, they can have biased outcomes if not properly designed, and their decision-making processes can be opaque. ISO, IEC 42007 is specifically addressing these unique considerations through guidance for scheme designers. ISO, IEC 42007 doesn't exist in isolation. It's part of a comprehensive ecosystem of standards that work together. ISO, IEC 42001 is the foundational AI management system standard that specifies requirements for organizations to establish, implement, maintain, and continually improve their AI management practices. It addresses unique AI challenges such as ethical considerations, transparency, and continuous learning. ISO, IEC 42006 builds on ISO, IEC 17021-1 and ensures that certification bodies conducting AI management system audits have the competence and rigor necessary. Meanwhile, ISO, IEC 42005 focuses specifically on AI system impact assessments, helping organizations understand how AI systems may affect individuals, groups, or society at large. ISO, IEC 42007 ties all of this together by creating the overarching framework for how conformity assessment schemes should be designed and operated. It's the meta standard that makes all the other standards work in practice. If you're running a business that develops or uses AI systems, ISO, IEC 42007 should be on your radar. Here's why. As AI regulations tighten globally, being able to demonstrate that your AI systems have been properly assessed will become increasingly important. Having your AI systems certified under schemes developed according to ISO, IEC 42007 will provide assurance to your customers, investors, and regulators. It will help you build trust in your AI products and services. It will streamline compliance with various regional regulations. It will give you a competitive advantage in markets where AI certification becomes mandatory or expected. And perhaps most importantly, it will help you actually develop better, more reliable AI systems by following structured assessment processes. For consumers, ISO, IEC 42007 represents a crucial step toward trustworthy AI. As AI becomes more prevalent in products and services you use daily, you deserve to know that these systems have been properly evaluated. Whether it's the AI diagnosing your medical condition, the algorithm deciding your loan application, or the autonomous vehicle driving your children to school, certification schemes based on ISO, IEC 42007 will provide assurance that these systems have been rigorously assessed. It means greater transparency, accountability, and safety in the AI systems that increasingly shape our lives. It means you'll be able to make more informed choices about the AI products and services you use. ISO, IEC 42007 contributes to several United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, including good health and well-being, decent work and economic growth, industry innovation and infrastructure, and peace, justice, and strong institutions. This highlights how crucial this standard is not just for technology, but for society as a whole. As the standard continues to develop and eventually gets published, we can expect to see conformity assessment schemes specifically designed for various AI applications emerging worldwide. These might include schemes for medical AI, autonomous vehicles, financial AI systems, educational AI, and many more specialized areas. IEC 42007 might sound technical, but it's fundamentally about something very human: trust. As artificial intelligence becomes more powerful and more prevalent, we need frameworks that ensure these systems are developed and deployed responsibly. IEC 42007 provides that framework for conformity assessment, creating the foundation for AI certification schemes that will help build trust between AI developers, users, regulators, and society at large. The development of this standard represents a crucial step forward in the responsible governance of artificial intelligence. It acknowledges that AI systems require specialized approaches to assessment and certification, different from traditional products. And it provides the guidance needed to create those approaches effectively. So the next time you interact with an AI system, remember that standards like IEC 42007 are working behind the scenes to help ensure that system is trustworthy, reliable, and safe. And that's something worth understanding.